So guys, we're out here riding and there's nothing worse than our fridge going flat. We haven't hooked up our spare batteries yet, so our car battery's gone flat. But luckily, we've got a new KT solar product. So I'll run through this with you guys. Super handy, you can just slip it in your vehicle. Everyone's getting a flat battery, whether they're going camping or on their jet skis. So, comes with a super neat little solar charger controller, our clips, all run by Anderson plugs, which makes it really helpful. Our lead just plugs in, pull it all out, like so. 2 clips here, and we're away. It's that easy, guys. So we make sure it's in direct sunlight. We just go positive to positive on our Anderson plugs. That goes in. So here we go. Obviously tells 0 on the screen because we don't have it plugged into our battery yet. But we just go with our alligator clips, positive negative onto our battery, and it's charging while we're out enjoying our riding. So guys, keep an eye out for the KT solar products. I love them.